Hi everyone, I want to show you my latest modification to the design. First I have the base here. You can mount the base to a board through the screw holes, and then you can twist and turn and connect to your other tower units. And then the tower unit can stack up. At the top there's the tank for nutrient. I call it the reservoir. So I have two designs for the reservoir. First one is the conventional design. Let me remove this. Okay, so I show you. First one is the conventional design. There's only one tank and one outlet. There's the pointer with a piece of foam. You can see whether you're running out of nutrient. Pointer will rise and fall according to the nutrient level. And then there's another one called the dual reservoir. So for the dual reservoir, I divided the tank into two halves. This half, maybe you can use it for your nutrient solution for the vegetable. This other part, maybe you can use it for fruits which have a higher EC. So you can then fit a different rubber pipe to different layer of the tanks. So for example, the top layer is vegetable, so you will connect the rubber pipe to this tank. And then the second one is fruit, then you can connect from this tank to that tank. It allows you to be more flexible. You can stack up vegetable fruits that way. And you only have one tank to deal with. So you can save the space for more fruits and vegetables. Okay, and then the last one is the top cover. So I also made two versions. One is to use my design, which is using the two PVC pipe to slide in and out to change the distance of the grow length to the plants. So there's a 20mm PVC sliding in and out of a 25mm PVC pipe. And then you can pass the electricity cable down each tank through the pipe down to the base, and then get the electricity cable out from there, from the base. Okay, the other type of cover is the gooseneck cover. So for the gooseneck cover, I drill 4 holes. Allow you to mount the gooseneck, and then the gooseneck allow you to adjust the distance between the grow light and the plants. So I think this is already mostly complete. I've just printed this one, the test. It seems to work okay. And I'm now printing the nutrient tank. So once I tested it, I will be releasing my design in Fingers. Stay tuned. Thank you.